Got a BMW headlight here, LED, and I've got to replace this lens. It's cracked, so I need to chop off the perimeter of this lens out, and I've got an aftermarket lens that we're just going to put back into place. So I'll use this little Dremel and I'll score this to take off this lens. So I've separated the lens off this headlight by cutting around the perimeter. You can see there's corrosion on the two modules because this light lens was previously cracked. So they've been driving around with water in the headlight and basically ruined the two controllers. So I've got to replace them for new ones so the angel eyes work, and also fit a new lens. So these are the parts that go back onto the light, sort of like that, and they screw in with some small screws on the back side in here. So they screw in and they basically screw into these little holders. So you've got to force, sort of gently just pull the lens off and then slowly just unscrew all of the little screws that are there. The next step is to cut the glue from the back, heat this up and gently just take out the plastic of the old lens and then clean up that little recess. I've also got to dry this light out. There's like damp inside, so dry it, and then the electrician's going to just change the two components and do a test to make sure everything works. So the lens is out, so we're just going to get the controllers checked to activate the DRLs, probably replace those two. So I've used a ratchet strap to hold the lens together, and this is how it looks once it's all dried. And DRLs are working, both lights are working.